started in like 8th grade. I'm 11th now, so 3 or 4.
What inspired you to make the bike?
Black just told me he had a motor. He needed me to build something, and I wanted to build something fast. So I built something fast. At least I tried to.
What do you want to do when you're older?
Plan on owning my own fabrication company. Yeah.
So are you using this as like practice?
Practice a little bit. Yeah. Just seeing what I can do, honing in my skills.
How long have you been welding?
This is my first year.
Okay, why did you choose to build this for the tractor pull?
I asked Alan if I could have a transmission and then realized I had to have something I could put it in and something I could compete with. So, decided to do tractor pull.
All right, what are your plans for when you grow up?
Run and own a auto shop.
So how is this helping with that?
What?
How is this build helping with that? Like helping you get ready for that?
Learning how to build and fabricate, find my own way.
Okay, so how many years have you been welding?
2 years.
Okay, why did you choose to do the drag and build this?
I chose to do the drag because it looked like a funny thing.
Okay. What are your plans for the future?
My plans for the future is to become in the military. Probably Army.
All right, so how's this helping with that?
Well, this is helping because I can go into different jobs in the military and I can help weld and